Hi guys, welcome back to Safeclean-Walkingtv. This is just going to be a short one, guys. This was a rug we was cleaning for a customer of ours, and it was in a pretty filthy state. As you can see, it was a silvery grey rug, but as you can see at the bottom there, it was not silver in colour. The customer was so impressed that he started to film me actually cleaning the carpet and said he was going to upload the film to some of his friends and family and his social network site. I thanked him. After seeing how the rug was coming out, he decided he wanted me to clean the living room carpet and the bedrooms and the hallway. So let's get on and have a look at the results of this rug that we're cleaning. As you can see, it was very greasy, oily, and I had to go over it a few times. And this was just using a combination of chemicals to remove the dirt and grime. As you can hear in the back there, the client was giving me praises for the cleaning. We use a combination of chemicals. This is to ensure that we get all of the grime and dirt out of the carpet. If you can remember how dirty it was at the beginning, we've managed to really bring that rug back to life. So with a little bit of knowledge, a bit of know-how, a combination of chemicals, we can bring your furnishings back to life. So thanks again for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe, and remember to press the notification bells